Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Luna. First, download the Luna application on your chosen device, whether it's a Fire TV, a personal computer, a Mac, or your mobile phone. Next, simply sign in using your existing Amazon account details to access the service. It's crucial to have a stable internet connection, ideally at least 10 megabits per second, for the best streaming quality. To set up your Luna controller, begin by inserting two AA batteries into the back compartment. Then, open the dedicated Luna controller application on your smartphone to initiate the pairing sequence. You will need to press and hold the central Luna button for approximately 3 seconds. The controller will vibrate and connect directly to your Wi-Fi network for Cloud Direct Play. Beyond the Luna controller, you have several options. You can pair other Bluetooth controllers, such as those from Xbox or PlayStation, directly through your device's Bluetooth settings. Alternatively, transform your smartphone into a controller by downloading the Luna Controller app and scanning a QR code. For a reliable, wired connection, simply plug in a compatible controller using a USB-C cable. To truly enhance your Luna experience, consider using a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network or a wired Ethernet connection for minimal latency. Remember to link any third-party game accounts within the Luna application to access your full library of owned titles. Finally, explore the in-app settings to customize parental controls, fine-tune audio and visual preferences, and manage your game save data for a personalized gaming session.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.